Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get cheap hotels on Priceline using Priceline Price Breakers. This feature is a fantastic way to find budget-friendly accommodations without sacrificing quality, making it perfect for travelers looking to save money on their next trip. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Priceline.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a clean search interface designed to help you find hotels quickly. Look for the search field labeled Where To and type in your destination city. This could be anywhere you're planning to visit, whether it's a major city or a smaller town. Next, you'll need to select your travel dates. Click on the calendar icons to choose your check-in and check-out dates. Make sure these dates align with your travel plans, as this will determine the availability and pricing of hotels. After setting your dates, enter the number of rooms and guests you'll need for your stay. Once everything is filled in, click Find Your Hotel and wait a few seconds while the system loads the available options. Now you'll be taken to the hotel results page where you'll see a variety of accommodations. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the filter option labeled Your Budget Per Night on the left side of the screen. Click on it and adjust the slider from left to right based on how much you're willing to spend per night. Moving the slider to the left will show you the cheapest hotels available, which is exactly what you want when hunting for the best deals. Browse through the filtered results and select a hotel that catches your eye and fits within your budget. Once you've found one, click Choose Your Room to view the available room types and rates for that property. This step is important because it gives you a closer look at what you're getting for your money. After reviewing the options, look for the See Availability button and click it. This verifies which rooms are currently available for your selected dates. You'll then see a list of room options with different price points. Select the room that best matches your budget and preferences, then click Book and wait a few seconds for the page to load. Now it's time to provide your details. Start by entering the guest name, including both the first and last name of the person who will be checking in. Next, you'll need to provide your payment information, so enter the details of the credit or debit card you plan to use for the booking. Scroll down to the billing section and fill in all the required information. This includes your street address, country, city, postal code, email address, and mobile number. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid any issues with your reservation. Once you've completed the form, look for the checkbox to agree with Priceline's terms and conditions and click it. Finally, click Book and Pay to complete your reservation. And that's it, you've successfully booked a cheap hotel on Priceline using their budget-friendly tools. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.